South Sudan's government is calling on more investors to put capital into the country's oil sector. South Sudan recently launched its first ever oil licensing auction. It's put up 5 blocks on offer. As CGTN's Patrick Oyet now explores, the landlocked nation is looking to get its staple oil sector back on track after years of insecurity and civil war after it split from Sudan in 2011.
The Ministry of Petroleum says the oil licensing round aims to attract interest from a diverse group of investors. The ministry says it has identified new exploration blocks with potential petroleum. It says it has compiled crucial data to provide to interested investors.
The government of South Sudan continue to put in place the relevant framework, policies, guidelines, and management system that create conducive environment for all business owners as it embarked on a journey to build the nation.
South Sudan's Petroleum Ministry says about 90% of the country's oil and gas reserves remain unexplored. Some South Sudanese companies are expressing interest in investing in the petroleum sector.
We are working on this licensing rounds project, and if we get an opportunity, we'll show the government as well as the citizen of the country how this thing is done. Because if we do it correctly, then you'll see the benefit of the resources.
One challenge that many local companies in South Sudan face is lack of financial facilities such as loans. However, that might soon change.
We believe that ensuring a strong financial services sector and the oil and gas sector is key to supporting local content, economic growth, and Stanbic Bank South Sudan is invested in various products to provide new solutions to local businesses like never seen before.
The oil sector is being blamed for pollution in the country. Some civil society groups in South Sudan are expressing their concern over the issue.
Whatever they do as local content should also look into environmental protection issues, because there's been a lot of environmental damages in the oil sector. There's been a lot of environmental damages within the energy sector. And that needs to be taken on board.
The Petroleum Ministry says it will carry out an environmental audit and has pledged to protect the environment. The current blocks available for exploration range between 4,000 and 25,000 square kilometers. The oil companies operating in South Sudan include China National Petroleum Corporation, India's Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Nigeria's Oranto, and Malaysia's Petronas. But South Sudan's government says there are still more opportunities in the oil sector for other investors from other countries. Patrick Oyet, CGTN, Juba, South Sudan.